Delta 54 Heavy, RNF football, runway 27 right, clear for takeoff.
Right, clear for takeoff, Delta 54 Heavy. Delta 54 is aborting on the runway.
Engine, Delta 54 Heavy, you've got your right engine on fire. You can come to a stop or roll in the truck.
Thank you.
If the fire department for 27 right's listening, you got 54 Heavy on the runway with an engine on fire. Delta 54 Heavy, the fire appears to be out on your right engine. Off power. It appears the fire's out.
Atlanta Tower, R10 plus 1 at Romeo 7, requesting across 27 left.
Delta 3028, go around runway 27 left, turn left heading 180.
Go around 180 degrees, Delta 3028.
Ops 10, Romeo 7, cross 27 left, Sierra, proceed on 27 right, emergency aircraft.
Romeo 7, requesting across 27 left.
R10, Romeo 7, cross 27 left immediately.
It's going to be R10 plus 1, crossing 27 left immediately.
ARF 8, Mike 16, proceed on 27 right to the emergency aircraft.
27 right.
Delta 3028, maintain 4,000 feet.
Atlanta Tower, R4 plus 1, requesting to proceed on the 27 right.
R4 plus 1, proceed on 27 right.
Proceeding on the 27 right, R4 plus 1, requesting to proceed on 27 right.
Delta 1002, go around. ARF 10 plus 1, proceed on 27 right.
Atlanta Tower, off 7, at Mike 16, requesting to proceed on 27 right, off 7.
Delta 3028, turn left heading 130.
Atlanta Tower, fire 3035, requesting to proceed on 27 right.
ARF on 27 right, proceed to the emergency aircraft. 27 right, proceed to the emergency aircraft.
1804, apparently our runway is closed. DC the airport and accept the runway 28 transition.
That's affirmative, Delta 1804, we can accept 28 transition.
1804, clear visual approach, runway 28.
Delta 1804, clear visual approach, runway 28.
1, you follow company ahead to runway 28. Yes, sir. Delta 1831, follow the traffic, clear visual approach, runway 28. Clear to visual 28, Delta 1831.
Be advised, it's a very small amount of fire, just a small flame.
Delta 54 Heavy, are you on here?
That's affirmative, we're up.
All right, ARF 8 is saying there's a small flame in your right engine. They want to proceed. Do you hear them?
Want to proceed? Yes. To put it out? Yes.
ARF 8, proceed.
Delta 54, ARF 8, be advised, the fire is out on your number 2 engine.
Roger that, thank you. That the fire is out. We would like to have Crash Fire Rescue follow us to the gate. Anything else we need to do here before we start coordinating next steps?
Delta 54, copy that, stand by a second. Fire Chief Tower. Fire Chief, answer Delta 54's question about the status of the engine, and then he also wants escort back to the ramp.
Delta 54, this is ARF 8, the ARF unit. The fire is out. We will follow you back to your gate. Just want to check and see if there's any injuries on board the aircraft.
There are no injuries that we're aware of yet. Flight attendants have not informed us of any.
Roger that, no injuries. We will follow you back to the gate.
Thank you.
All right, Ops 3, I'll be directly in communication with you. Reference fire vehicles exiting the runway. Are you going to do an inspection?
Hey, I'm doing an inspection right now.
Copy. So from where you're at Kilo East, is the runway pod clear so I can taxi airplanes from the approach in at 27 right, 27 left?
Hey, there is no pod.
Thank you.